Hello, this is my website created for Macs. So, firstly, we're brought to the website with a username and a password. The username would be Max, and his password would be Math Sucks. If I included something different, like robots, it wouldn't work, and it will give you a prompt telling you that your password is incorrect. Whereas if you put in the password Math Sucks, which Max created himself, then it will log you into his account. Then you're welcomed to the homepage, in which it shows you your six subjects, and at the top in your drop down menu, it will also show you your six subjects with your levels per subject. If you click on level 3, for example, it will take you to the multiplication area, where you have a little box to type in to answer this question that's randomly generated for the user. This is all mental maths, and there'll be 10 questions in total. First number is always picked out by a two-digit number or the number 100, and the second number is always a one-digit number or the number 10, which makes the math somewhat challenging and somewhat simplified, as Max is in grade 3. It won't tell you that you're wrong until the very end, in which it will give you a score. So, when you keep practicing, you have to keep trying to make it better, in which you have to learn from your own mistakes. It told me I got a score of 5 out of 10, which is important for Max to see so he knows how to improve. Then, if I go to reading, for example, and do level 2, I can answer some questions by reading this passage written on the left and answering the question that's on the right. So, for example, here they went to the beach. Here it looks like they saw some lions. All the questions here are very literal, so pretty basic questions, but since he is in grade 3, he may have to read through the entire thing to get the full context, so then he understands the question and can answer accurately. These questions aren't randomly generated, but it's just very literal reading and comprehension. There's no analysis to this, since he's just a year 3 kid. And sometimes we'll give you the same question multiple times because it will just randomly pick a question out of it. So here it gave me a score of 2 out of 10 because I did actually mess up quite a lot of the questions in the quiz. If I go to the profile section, it will welcome me to the page, in which it will say welcome Max, and it will look similar to the homepage, just giving you direct pathway to the main areas. There are some features not included, such as the streak does not go up daily like it should have gone, and the score is not going up either. For example, if I go to reading, I've just placed insert score here since the score's not actually been working. I've just had a variable in place of the score. Thank you, this is my website.